What's going on, guys? Here I am doing another video of something I did to the Tundra. As you guys can see, she's sitting higher. That's because I did a 3.5 inch lift. It was a rough country 3.5 bolt-on kit, so there was no cutting. Just used the spacers in the front, spacers in the back. This comes with a shock rough country for the back, and 3.5 inch. It's pretty decent. I just love the way it's sitting right now. I was gonna go with a 6 inch, but I don't think that's gonna be something I'm gonna be doing. I just like the way it looks right now, the way it's sitting. My wife is a small, woman, and getting in and out of the truck, I still got smaller kids, so yeah, I don't think I'm gonna leave it just like that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna change these tires. Are 285, so I think I'm gonna go, these are 285 55, so I think the next upgrade is gonna be either 295s, 60 20s, or I'm gonna go 33s, 12.5. That might be the next size that I'm gonna get in tires, but just so you guys can see a little bit of it. I don't know if you guys can see much, but there's the rough country shock that comes with it, and then there's the U-bolts with, I think it's a 2-inch spacer that it comes for the back. But man, I'm loving the Tundra, guys. How it's looking, like I always tell you guys, comment, let me know what you guys think. If you guys have a truck and you guys are doing stuff to the truck. That's my wife over there. She's tiny, she's little, so getting in and out of the truck is harder for her now. And for me, she's looking right. Next thing I'm gonna do is next week I got spacers for the wheel spacers. I'm gonna bring the wheels out 2 inches, and I'm also doing slotted rotors and new brakes all around. So I'm gonna do another video on that coming up next week once I install the spacers and the rotors, disc rotors. So yeah, some of the things that I'm gonna be doing. And like I always tell you guys, stay positive, be good to everyone, even to those who do you wrong. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, turn on the notifications so when I get a new video, something new coming out, you guys can see it. And until next, guys, take care. God bless everybody. Have a good one. See you in the next video.